Sandhya here. Today we're going to discuss about gut health. Gut health is very important for a healthy life, for a healthy holistic life. Gut care is very important. I tell all my people who come to here for grooming to become a mistake or light worker, I always tell them that going twice a day to washroom is the almost basic requirement, because we want to hold more energy in our body. We need to make sure that our body is like clean and able to receive more. So your gut is very important. Acid reflux, digestive issues, and constipation. These are the three things which we're going to discuss today. How to balance our acid. It's a very important thing. Everybody thinks that popping a tablet in the morning and going is going to take it. That is just a suppression. So I am a holistic therapist, so I really focus on having a holistic health. Your mind plays a major role and your emotions play a major role on your gut health. So please reach out for healers and light workers and holistic therapists to have a better health. And I'm here to discuss with you guys. So if you feel comfortable talking to me, please message me. I'm there on Instagram, I'm there on Facebook, and I'm there on YouTube. You can leave a comment there that you want to talk to me. We can schedule an appointment, we'll talk, So I would definitely try to help you guys in that area. So the basic today's video's focus will be result oriented. We are going to talk about how to manage our health, especially gut care, and what to use in taking care of gut, helping a gut to be smooth and free of irritation and being in a happy, peaceful state. Turmeric tablet, number one, I really strongly suggest, because once your gut is compromised, your immunity also is compromised. So please take a turmeric tablet. People who feel that no, I don't want to go for a tablet, then take half a spoon of turmeric in warm water any time of the day. Just include this because it boosts the immune system, so we all know about that. If you guys want to know more about turmeric benefits, I have a separate video for that. Please check my check my description, and you can definitely find the link over there and know more about turmeric, how good it's for you. And the next thing is that you can start taking jeera water, cumin seed water, 2 spoons of cumin seed in 1 1/4 liter of water. Nicely boil them. When the boiling temperature comes, switch it off and allow it to cool, and drink that water, at least 1 liter water for people 17 years and above. Start taking it as a regular habit, at least for a month, so that in your body settles down, cools down, settles down, becomes better with your acid. It starts balancing everything. It's very good. And the next thing, it is also, please start taking chia seed. Half a spoon of chia seed soaked in the night and drank the next day morning. It's very good. Don't soak it in the morning, or don't boil the water and put the chia seed inside. No. Chia seed is good to take it totally soaked in water for at least few hours, at least 6-7 hours. Then only the benefit comes totally to your body. So this also helps you to reduce the blood pressure. This also helps you reduce the diabetes. This also helps you reduce your weight. It was very good for weight management. So chia seed is really it does a lot of multitasking work in terms of your health. It also calms down your mind a lot. So chia seed is really good for gut care. So you can take this first thing in the morning and try to reduce milk intake. If you are okay in taking almond milk, is really good. No soya milk, almond milk, yes. Cashew nut milk, yes. Coconut milk, yes. No soya and no cow milk, at least for some time. So this is going to really help you to build up your gut care, Gut is very important. If you have constant issue with these 3 areas, you are giving space for deadly disease. So I want my fellow human beings to be more healthy. So I'm not giving the disease name just like that because I don't want to tell them, very simple, and I just wouldn't want to add on to the vibration of that. So that's the reason. And also taking yogurt. Please make the yogurt at home and take. Making yogurt at home is very easy. Boil the milk, allow it to come to room temperature, lukewarm temperature, a little warm, and just put 1 spoon of yogurt inside, nicely beat it and keep it aside in the furnace room, or you can keep it inside the microwave or in the oven. Don't switch on the oven, just put on the light and it will ferment the next day. And take yogurt with the liquid on the top, liquid on. That is very, very important. People who say that I cannot do all this, please pop a probiotic tablet. So this is going to take care of your whole health. Probiotic tablet, take it for 21 days and then give it a break. I don't want you to get used to it, but probiotic is really helpful. People who cannot do this in the traditional way, go for a probiotic tablet and a turmeric tablet. So turmeric is going to take care of your immune system. Chia acid is going to take care of your low, balancing your acid in the body, and it's going to take care of your cleaning your gut totally, and constipation also will relieve. This will happen. This is not going to happen like next day morning. No, it is not going to happen next day morning. It will take at least a week for your body to get adjusted and start getting tuning to it. And walk 20 minutes a day. Walking is needed. When you walk 20 minutes a day, it relaxes the stomach. It doesn't relax the stomach. It's going to send signal to your stomach to start moving. It starts making movement in the stomach, and I don't want to use the technical names for that. I'm going to just use the layman term. It starts helping your stomach to move. Starts sending signals that if something is there to yet to come out, it will come out. Usually after 20 minutes of walk, people who are constipated, they usually go to washroom. So this is a very simple technique and tips for today to take care of your gut. Gut health is very, very important. Your mind is the foremost reason for having a gut issue. So if you're constantly keeping on worrying or constantly having a lot of issues with like emotions and breakdowns and how to tell you, and also having issues with the relationships also can affect your gut health a lot. Usually when going for walking, I tell my people, keep your phone aside and just go with the nature and walk and have your own time. But people who feel that there is a relationship issue going on, walking with your spouse really helps for the bondage, being away from the phone, being away from the work, that helps you to bond the relationship. And bonding relationship is very important because women and men need reassurance. So even if you don't want to do it like every day with a half an hour, with him half an hour, you can do at least weekly few days. Okay, there's one more quick tip I'm giving for people who are chronically having issues with constipation and digestive issues. 1 handful of coriander leaf, 1 handful of mint leaf, half an inch of ginger, and a little bit of lemon juice and honey. One spoon. Just it's a honey and lemon juice according to your taste. Make a nice smoothie and drink it. Drink it in the lunchtime or in the around 11:30, 12. Don't drink in the first thing in the morning. It's not good for your health. So drink this smoothie and you will see your digestive issues will resolve. Your constipation issues will resolve. This will also make you lose weight. Why lose weight? Because it's going to make the gas release from the body and it's going to neutralize. You're going to have a flat tummy. In that way, it cleans the tummy and you're going to be flat. So there'll be a kind of a weight loss. Sometimes when we eat a lot of junk food, this smoothie will also help you to flush out. So this smoothie, people say can also add cucumber to it. It's your choice, but these ingredients are almost a must. And there's a lot of antioxidant. It's a lot of inflammatory, and it's beautiful. It's really, really good. So people who don't want to have the turmeric powder or turmeric tablet can put a small pinch of their raw turmeric available in the Tamil stores here in Canada. You can get that, put a small piece just like a ginger into your smoothie and smoosh, make a nice smoothie, and you can drink that, and that is also going to help you to it's one smoothie and everything is done. Or if you want to put your chia seed into it, it's still good, but I would prefer to take the chia seeds separately in the morning, because that is the first thing you drink. That has got a lot of benefit drinking the first thing in the morning. It's going to soothe in your tract. It's going to soothe on your tract. It's going to push all the toxins just released the whole night, and it's going to clear out. Make this as a habit, because this is going to help you in the long run. So, okay Neela, I don't want to get into a habit of doing this every time. You start this green juice in your diet 3 times a week. I say I usually recommend to take any greens 3 times a week. So the day you take beets and okra, don't take this juice. It's become too much for you. So make it, if you are a person who eats a lot of beets, okra, salad, then just juice can even go first of all, if you're going to eat a lot of okra, beets and salad, you're not going to have constipation issue. That's not going to happen, right? So you guys know how to balance it, and if you need more tips on this, please message me and I will be happy to talk to you guys. And and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. And you can also suggest me what other videos I can do for you guys. I love you a lot. I love you all so much, and thank you for all the support, and take care. Happy day and happy life is very important. Happiness is all within. It is not outside. It's all within you, and happiness is almost the basic requirement of human life, human existence. So I hope you all have a happy life, and thank you so much. Bye.